All right. 970. Do we want to head into the vendors hall? All right, we're gonna head on in.
Yes, let's go.
Whee! Yes, it is.
Is it okay if I say hi real quick?
Of course.
Hi there. I don't think I've talked to you outside of your stream chat or our DMs.
Oh wow, hello.
Cheers.
It's nice to meet you.
I know my voice doesn't pick up very well. This is me. Hi.
Oh my god!
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Read me good fan fiction lately?
Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe I'm meeting you! Love me! Hi! I love you so much, and I'm so thankful for everything that you helped me with for the stage yesterday.
Good. My Wonderverse might not even be working, but I'm really glad yours did.
You haven't gone on yet, right? It's later today.
So that's at like 4.
Okay. I wanted to like make sure that I had time to watch it before I had to do stuff. So I'm gonna be there and I'm gonna watch it. And I hope everything works for you. I think it's gonna go smoother today than it did yesterday.
Fashion bar. But yeah, have you been adventuring around?
Yeah, I went.
Or well, I can ask you, have you taken? Amazing. I drank a lot of coffee from your guys' booth. So much coffee.
Oh my god.
Good coffee.
Yeah, it's freaking
I'm
yummy.
gonna keep wondering. Yeah, enjoy your adventures. It was nice seeing you.
I love your ribbon, by the way.
They gave me a bunch of tiny stickers, so I just decorated mine.